to our travel with Tory. Come to Bucaramanga. Welcome to our tour around Bucaramanga. My dad and my grandpa are from Bucaramanga. It's located in the department of Santander. The flag is yellow and green. Landmark, the Park San Pio, typical celebration, the party, climb, rum, touristic place, Chicamocha Canyon, famous person, Laura Acuña, TV presentation. Agricultural products, pineapple, coffee, cacao. Typical food, changua and with arepa de chicharrón and hormiga culona. Subscribe in my channel and give me like. Bye bye, see you next time.